Today I'm in airBaltic's Operations Control Center. This is where the heart beats, because from here airBaltic controls all its flights. This is more than 70,000 this year. And the team here behind me, I had the chance today to look over their shoulders and get deep into our operations control. Very interesting, very different tasks we do here to make sure that all airBaltic flights depart on time and are conducted with all the regulations which have to be observed.
Yeah, hello, it's Martin Gauss, the CEO, and I'm in operations control today working with the team. I just wanted to send you some greetings, so have a great flight.
I learned today a lot, and if I look at the background, I'm a commercial pilot. I have been post-holder flight operations, I have been involved in ground operations in my life in different management positions. Still today I learned in airBaltic's Operation Control Center how it's done today with all the systems we are using, but also the individual qualification people have to do such jobs in an airline operation. And it's very interesting, the interaction between the different colleagues to make that operation so smooth.